This video we will see how to fix Xbox app error. There seems to be a problem with your store account on Windows 11 and 10. And if you are also facing such type of Xbox error, Xbox app not working properly, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store and choose library from the right side. Updates and downloads. And here you will find check for updates. You may click on check for updates, otherwise choose update all to update all your Microsoft apps stored installed in your system. So update all your app including Xbox app, and after updating check whether your Xbox app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, and here type wsreact.exe. This command will clear your Microsoft Store caches. Click on OK. This command will clear all your Microsoft Store stored caches. After that, close the Microsoft Store windows and check whether your Xbox app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to start button, right click on it and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type the command msconfig, ms configuration. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows in your system. System configuration windows will now open. Here from the top menu bar, go to services, and here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner, and choose disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Task manager startup apps will open here, and here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. If you found any enabled startup apps, then simply right click on it and choose disable. So manually disable all the startup apps enabled in your system, and after that close the windows and choose apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether your Xbox app error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here under available control panel item, go to date and time. Here a new window will open. Here go to internet time from the top menu bar and click on change settings. This computer is set to automatically synchronize on a scheduled basis. Click on change settings, and here make sure that synchronize with an internet time server is duly checked. If you found it unchecked, then make the check against this option and click on OK. Close the windows and check whether your Xbox app error code resolved or not, if Xbox app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type the command services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here in the services windows, scroll down and look for the Xbox related services. At the end of page, you will find 4 Xbox related services: Xbox accessories management services, Xbox Live. Apply a double click on it and make sure that service status is a start. If not, click on start and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Same procedure followed by other Xbox Live Authority Manager. A startup type, if a startup type, choose automatic, and service status should be start. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is Xbox Live Game Save. Same process. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. Service status should be start it, and a startup type set as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. And the last one is Xbox Live Networking Service. Same process, apply a double click on it to open its properties, and service status should be start, and a startup type set as automatic, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Xbox app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, scroll down and choose apps. Here click on installed apps from the right side, and here look for Xbox app, type in search field Xbox, and click on 3 horizontal dot against Xbox and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the section reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First, choose repair. Repair Xbox app. If this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair does not work, then reset Xbox app. This will permanently delete the app's data. Choose OK and wait for some times to reset Xbox app. And if after repairing Xbox app, resetting Xbox app, your problem is still, then uninstall Xbox app and reinstall Xbox app, a fresh version of Xbox app, reinstall it in your system. That's all.